Hey, it's cold outside, it's raining, and it's laundry day, so I'm doing an inside video. I'm not doing Foundry related stuff today. Well, it kinda is, but it's not kinda not. So, I plan to make a handle for my grinder. I have this foam piece off of an ice scraper. This brass bolt that fits the connector. An old rusty nut I found in the basement. A rather large washer. And RTV gasket maker that I found when I was cleaning out this bedroom. I have no idea how old it is, but it's supposed to be silicone, so I imagine that once it dries, it'll be okay. This is an experiment. So if it works, awesome. If it doesn't work, I didn't lose anything because everything here I got for free except the washer. Washer, yeah. Everything else is free, so it doesn't really matter. So here's what we're gonna do: bolt, washer, nut. About, I don't know, how far do you think that is? I'm eyeballing it. A third of an inch? Maybe half? Not too far. I'm gonna butt the washer up against that, like so. Flip it over. Take foam handle thing. Hop it on top. See where I'm getting with this? And then squeeze everything that this tube has into that hole. And this is the part that I'm not sure is going to work because I don't know what this stuff actually is. It's brand new. It says Ultra Blue RTV Silicone Gasket Maker. So I'm assuming that silicone it'll harden and be, just like any other silicone. And it's blue. Get it? Blue? A gasket? Ha. That has got to be in the video. Alright, so I got about half the tube in there, and I don't fill it at the bottom, but I fill it, but it's definitely filling up the top, so I don't know if I can force more in there without it being like a problem. I really don't want to get it on my laundry day pants. Now, these pants are really crap. Like, they're the crappiest color of sweatpants ever. They're maroon sweatpants. I'm starting to wear them during laundry day from now on. I don't know why. I figure if it's gonna be laundry day, I might as well use the crappiest pants that I can. Oh no. Alright. So, see, I sprung a little bit of a leak, but it's still not at the bottom. So I'm gonna try to, like, hold this and then hold this and then. Let's see if I can work it down. Hear air bubbles popping, so I gotta be doing something right. I need more hands. Somebody has to hold this. There we go. And look, voila. I'm gonna flip it over. And that might actually work. Like I said, this is a complete experiment. So now I got that big open hole there. I'll fill it with silicone. And then maybe I'll flip it over again until it works its way the whole way around. You see the grr face. Like, grr. Oh man. I'm gonna pull it through. Oh geez. I'll try flipping it again. Yeah, maybe if you weren't so nosy. Sorry, I can hear my grandparents talking downstairs, and I moved some stuff in the basement, and she ran down right away, and she's like, oh, he did this, he did that, and I'm like, well, you never would have noticed it if you weren't nosy, because literally no one ever goes down there. Except for me. Anymore, anyway, because my grandfather's too old to do anything. And well, my grandmother doesn't do anything. Not that basement related, except laundry. I'll get my lean on. This is working. I mean, it's not getting all over my everything, so it's working. See, I'm trying to do this and not drop it and still be able to talk at the same time, and my multitasking skills ain't what they used to be. If I ever actually had any. So, one more time. I'll flip it one more time and I'm done. Whatever happens, happens. If it's filled up. If it's filled up, it's filled up. And I'm thinking it's doing pretty good. I mean, now it's like 3/4 of the way up the bolt, so. One more flip. Alright. And we'll top it off, let it dry, show you guys what it's like when it's dry, and then post a video. And then you guys will have your own little idea of how to create a grinder handle, which is, I saw a couple other videos on this, but this is my own invention. This is literally my own invention because this is everything I found laying around the house. So no one has this make. No one. Silicone, ice scraper, nuts and bolts. And it's gonna work. Well, as long as the silicone dries. If the silicone doesn't dry, other silicone will work. This is just the silicone I found. So, I'm gonna finish filling it up, let it dry, probably overnight, shoot the finished product, and then you guys can tell me what you think. Alright, thanks for watching. Here's my handle I made. I'm gonna see how it holds up today.